Okay, welcome back. It is day 158, I believe. 157 maybe. Of coding every day. Um so today, very beginning of this recording, is me showing you the updates to my task and note-taking app, in which I added. So my note-taking app before this morning, I guess, was just um, plain text, right? It was simply, you couldn't style it at all. There was no indenting, no bullets, no numbers, nothing. Um, but so I assumed there was going to be like a package, but I assumed it was going to be really bad. And the first one I did try this morning was really bad. Um, and then I found, I think the exact one Notion uses. I thought Notion just hand rolled their own thing. Maybe this is Notion's and they released it, but it's just what I found. And it looks great and it worked seamlessly. It was some styling elements in my CSS, maybe like 10 styling elements, and then just making a function, importing it, making a function to handle like everything that I want included, and then just putting that as a rendered component, just like how you would a text area. Um, they just replace the text area with this particular box. So now I can, bold, italic, insert a code block, insert images, insert tables, anything. So that's really, really nice and it looks really good. So that's the first app ever I think I've gotten to a point where I would say it's kind of like, actually I can't say that. The core functionality of that app is done. Um, I need to fix the like profile and like settings page to allow people to have a little more customizability, if that's a word. And I still never fully checked if you can reset your username and password. There's something there for that, but I think it needs to be redone a little bit. Um, but yeah, after I finish that at some point, which won't be this week, I'm not going to worry about that. That's a full app done, to like an actual, like I'd recommend this app to like people if they asked. um, but outside of that, I worked on the beginning of the startup, I guess. Still don't know if I don't know. I just want to do, I want to do a proof of concept first, of the project, before I do, anything crazy. So today was just looking at like a tech stack that I wanted to work with. So I think I'm going to try Tailwind because I've never done Tailwind and I've just heard so many people use it. Instead of just doing, the CSS stuff, it's all inline styling. Um, and then React, just because it's familiar, strengthen my React skills. Um, and then no idea what I'm doing for the back end yet. Um, and then there was this Vite React thing. Still don't really know what the Vite is. It just seemed interesting, so I'll look more into that. But so today was literally just setting up the folder with the packages and getting the React app up. Probably gonna do some work tonight on it, maybe. Again, finals is next week, so I don't know how much work I can put into it. Most of the work will be between finals and the first week of the internship. It's not an internship. When I go to Texas for the research. Um, so so yeah. Um, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how much I'm gonna actually do on that the next few weeks. I should say next couple weeks. It would be nice if I could get like to me like a prototype or a proof of concept would be being able to link a GitHub repository, being able to prompt it saying like, oh, this is the project I have, lay out all the tasks that should be done, and then being able to link a GitHub, and then being able to like code stuff, hit like, oh, check the code base, and then it automatically checks things off. That's a proof of concept to me. So if I can get to that point within the next couple weeks, then I'll go forward with this idea. So but yeah, that's all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow for probably either computer system principles project or more of this. So, all right, take care. Bye.